how are you doing? I hope you are well, blessed and kept of the Lord. And guys, it's that time again of making amazing recipes. If you are new here, karibu sana, please subscribe, and if you are a returning subscriber, then you know what we say, you are the best. So today we're going to be making an egg barbecue sauce sandwich. The ingredients are simple, the recipe is super simple, and guys, it is so tasty. So we're going to be needing some onions, tomatoes, yellow, red bell peppers. You can use green bell peppers. We're going to be needing some eggs, margarine or butter, and the holy grail of the recipe, barbecue sauce, some bread, whichever bread you like, and some salt. So we're going to begin off with adding our eggs into a bowl. Depending on how many people you're cooking for, I'll add in there some salt and some black pepper, because black pepper gives my eggs a very good inherent flavor. I love. So we're going to beat that until it's nice, soft and fluffy the way I like it. Then next, after you are confident, or rather after you've beaten your egg the way you like it, we're going to put it in the pan and cook it until it's ready. So once both sides are cooked well, I'll just turn off your cooker and let's begin working on the bread. So on the bread, we're just applying some butter or margarine. In my case, I'm using the one that has a vanilla oh my god vanilla flavor, and we are going to apply that on one side of the toast. We're going to keep doing this until we've done this on all our bread. Once our bread guys, I don't know what's wrong with me today. Once our bread is ready, we are going to place it on our toaster, and then we are going to start adding in our ingredients depending on what you like. But I like a lot of onions, so you'll see me put a lot of onions on my sandwich. It gives it a very good flavor. I love it. After the onions, I normally add in my tomatoes on both sides. Once I've added in my tomatoes, the next thing I'm going to add in there is the red bell peppers, then the yellow bell peppers, then some salt. Sprinkle some salt. Now I use a spoon, I wing it, but I would really advise that you use a salt shaker. This method that I'm using can really mess you up because you can put a lot of salt and you really don't want that. So use a salt shaker, or even skip the whole part of adding the salt. Next, I'm going to add in my eggs, and now the best part of it, barbecue sauce. So I normally put a lot of it. Please here, just do it how you like it. Then we put in our bread, cover it. Once your bread is on there, just cover it and let it cook until the timer tells you. Now my toaster normally lights on the green part. When it's ready, it will light on the red part, so it normally indicates. A minute and a half later, guys, look at that. It looks amazing. And guys, let me just mention that you can use tomato sauce if you don't have the barbecue sauce. So don't fail to make this sandwich because you don't have the barbecue sauce. Use whatever you like, and then just ensure it has the sauce because it will make it very juicy, and that's what you're going for. So guys, look at that load of goodness for your breakfast. Who doesn't want this, guys? So it looks amazing. I love these sandwiches, and I thought, why not share the recipe? That's it for today's video, guys. See you next time.